This is an update for week 2 of the Manifest Success course journey. As you know, in week 1, you can see in a previous video, it was about mental health. So incorporating short meditations, once in the morning, once at night. And as part of week 2 is about physical health. So I'm going to be incorporating an afternoon walk, some type of physical exertion to get the blood pumping, some type of HIIT cardio possibly. What I think the main goal was to reach 100K in 63 days. That's kind of like the arbitrary money goal I set for this challenge to help motivate me and give others the opportunity of setting that goal. But the more I think about it is setting an arbitrary money goal probably isn't the best idea. I think having a purpose for the money is more important than the money itself. So I tweaked the goal a little bit. I'm going to be helping 100 students achieve lucid dreams. So that's now the main goal, and then the monetary value I receive from that I will be using for the shoe prototype. If you're not familiar, the whole goal of this is to show that anything's possible. So one of the things I'd want to do is create an electric propulsion flying shoe so everyone can fly around like Superman, just like they can in their dreams. So if that is truly possible, you can truly manifest anything. I should be able to do that on this journey. That's the whole point of this, to see if it's even possible. Because when I created the Lucid Accelerator to help people lucid dream, I first mastered how to lucid dream myself before I even thought of teaching others. So I thought it was important to do that for the manifestation journey as well. So this is just a little update about week 2. It's focused on physical health while still incorporating week 1's mental health journey of meditating about 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night, and now I'm incorporating an afternoon walk with positive affirmations to help keep me motivated on this journey. And if you have any questions or ideas of what I should be working on, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to start outreaching more to people for collaborations and video ideas, and see if I can get these new 100 people and help them with their lucid journey. If you want to be one of the 100 and are interested in learning how to lucid dream consistently, you can check out foreverlucid.com. There should be a link below. And have a great day. Like this video if you want, subscribe if you want to keep up with more videos. Talk to you soon.